Good morning. I'm tired. I don't get enough sleep last night. Let's say maybe 2 hours and a half sleep last night. So I'm lucky I don't have to work tomorrow. I'm off tomorrow, so yay. I need more sleep. It is 7 o'clock in the morning and Mr. Sun is right there. So I am running out of time. Today is not too bad. It's not really cold, but yesterday it was cold yesterday because I don't remember, maybe yesterday at night rain, so in the morning that's cold, but today it's very nice weather, not too bad. So yeah, yesterday I have to wear my gloves, but today I don't have to wear gloves. It's fine. I can handle it. It's not really cold. It's just perfect weather. Ooh, I don't know if you can see it on the sky, but it has a, oh, there's an airplane. See the line? Ooh. Nice. That's cool. I can see it. The airplane is going down, I think. See? And I don't know if I can capture it, but there's a geese flying on the sky. I can't see them, but they're up in the sky. Damn, I didn't know that they can fly high. Really high. The geese. That's cool. Okay, we're here. Here's the front of the building that I work. Mr. Sun is right there. It is 7 o'clock in the morning, by the way. As you can see, far away from here, you can see a little bit of the top of the mountain that still has a bunch of the snow on the top. It's really pretty when you look at far. Like you see the mountain looks white because of the snow, covered it with the snow. But yeah, I am late already. I'm late already, but I still have time to film while heading to my work. Hello there.